What if you could trade automatically while you sleep? No emotions, no screen time, just AI making decisions for you. In this video, I will show you exactly how fully automated trading bots work, which platforms offer them, and how much they actually cost. A fully automated trading bot is a software that analyzes market data, makes buy and sell decisions, executes trades automatically. You don't click anything, the bot does everything for you. Most bots use technical indicators, price patterns, AI, or machine learning, sometimes news and sentiments analysis. Here's exactly how it works. Step 1, data. The bot scans the market 24/7. Step 2, strategy. It follows a strategy like buy low, sell high, dollar cost averaging, or trend following. Step 3, decision. AI analyzes signals and decides when to trade. Step 4, execution. The bot sends orders directly to the broker. And step 5, risk management. It automatically sets stop loss and take profit. All of this happens in seconds without emotions. There are three main types of automated bots. Strategy bots with pre-programmed rules, AI bots learn from data and adapt, and copy trading bots automatically copy real traders. Instead of trading yourself, you copy someone else trading automatically. Let's look at real platforms beginners actually use. In Pionix, you have fully automated built-in bots, and it is free. You only pay 0.05% trading fee. It's best for beginners. In 3 commas, you have more control. Price starts from $15 per month and you have up to 9 active bots. Crypto Hopper, best for plug and play bots, strategy marketplace and copy trading. You can start for free, and first paid plans start from around $25 per month. On TrendSpider, you can trade stocks and forex. Prices start from about $50 per month. You have 5 trading bots, or you can use trial for $19 per 14 days. Wunder Trading is best for copy trading automation. You can actually start for free with 3 active bots, and then paid plan starts with around $14 per month with about 30 active bots. Remember that real cost is not just subscription. You usually pay monthly fee depending on platform from 0 to up to $100 per month. Then trading fee starts from 0.05% and sometimes profit sharing like in copy trading 10 to 15%. What is important, AI bots are not guaranteed profit. Many bots work well in backtests but fail in real market conditions. You can lose money even with automation. That's all. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.